I was told a Taweez, it had boxes with numbers in it and someone's name who we know written under the box of numbers. What does this mean? Does it have any effect? Definitely it is not permissible in religion, because Rasul ﷺ was unable to read and write. So he never ever gave Taweez in his lifetime to anybody. And even the Sahaba did not do that. So Taweez and writing the names and boxes and all those kind of things is the teaching of the magicians, the people who use the help of the astronomy and astrology studies and numerical studies, and they do, like, inviting the jinn and shayateen for their help, all these kind of things, seeking help from those people. And we should understand that the people are so open in bluntly saying that this is from Rasul ﷺ. They quote from Muwatta Imam Malik. They say that Rasul ﷺ used to give Taweez to his children, his grandchildren. Subhanallah, it's a big lie upon Rasul ﷺ. Taweez does not mean that he used to write some Taweez in this form and that. Rasulullah ﷺ would teach them, A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim. Rasulullah ﷺ would teach them how to, pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and get, protection against shaitan. Bismillah.